In this video, I'll show you how to change the toner. First, open the front door. You'll see the toner right here in the middle. Simply put your hand underneath and slide it out. Ensure that you return the empty toner box to us so we can recycle it. Remove any packaging from the new toner. You'll see an arrow on top. Gently shake the toner 2 or 3 times. Line the arrow up so it's facing upwards and slide it in. And then close the front door. And that's how you change the toner. Thank you.